name is Oscar Barrera. I am from Cúcuta. I am sociology student at the UNAD. I am 44 years old. I am married. My wife's name is Yelixa. She is 35 years old. She is architect. I have a daughter. My daughter's name is Paula. She is 9 years old. The recipe typical dish, the Changua. Ingredients: 4 cups whole milk, 2 cups water, 4 eggs, 3 scallions finely shredded or coriander to taste finely shredded, 4 pieces of toasted bread, draft, stale bread, toast, salt taste, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Process to prepare the recipe. First, wash the chives and coriander. Chop them finely. Second, put the milk and water in a pot until it boils. Third, add the chives, cilantro, and salt to taste. When it boils again, lower the heat to medium. Then the eggs, taking care not to break the yolks. Allow 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the butter. You can put the bread at this time or serve it separately for each person to add to the plate. The changua can be eaten with coffee and arepa or chocolate and bread. This delicious dish is usually eaten in the morning. Try it. Buen apetito.